Hi, this is Mark from Phace Installations. One of our jobs today is to install a Brakelight camera into this Peugeot Boxer. We're going to put a Brakelight camera up there, we'll change that, and for reverse camera system, and then we're going to put a mirror monitor up there as a standard light mirror. As soon as you put it in reverse, it'll have the image. Come back and let's see what we do when we finished. Okay, several hours later, we have now fitted mirror monitor. Start the vehicle up, put it in reverse. Crystal clear picture quality. Take it out reverse, off it goes. I'll show you what we've put at the back. Brakelight camera. Looks just like factory fit.